as soon as there is sound, that we know that there is ether or span. Sound, vibration, as we have got experience of this material sound, and therefore the material sky, similarly, there is spiritual sound and there is spiritual sky. Without sky, there is no sound. So, there is spiritual sky. We get information from Shastra for a bomb. Bomb is called sky, and there is another sky, which is material sky, but we have experience. There is spiritual sky, and about that spiritual realization, as this creation begins from the sky, ether, then air, then fire, then water, then land, Titi Arthe Manubam. Similarly, the spiritual world also begins from the spiritual sky. After this sky ends, then the spiritual sky begins. That is stated in the Bhagavad Gita, Parat Tasmatu Bhava Anya. There is another Bhava means nature. That is Sanatan nature, eternal nature. This nature, this sky, is temporary. It has got a duration of life, maybe millions and trillions of years, but it is not permanent. It is emanating from the Supreme Lord breathing period, Jasyaika Nishasida Kalavatavalamba, Jivanti Roma Bilaja Jagadandana. So, after this sky, there is another sky, and the sound produced from that sky is Omkara and Hare Krishna Mantra. This is the sound vibration from the spiritual sky. Therefore it is effective immediately, just like you contact thousands of miles away, somebody is speaking, and you can contact by the sound vibration, you catch up with your machine, radio machine. Similarly, the sound vibration from the spiritual sky, you can answer this. That is Hare Krishna Mantra. Therefore, Narottam Das Thakur has described this Hare Krishna Mantra not of this material sky. Golokera prema dhana harinama sankirtan. Harinama sankirtan. This is not a material sound. And in the Vedanta, it is stated, Saddhat Anavritti, by chanting the spiritual sound, the impersonalities, they chant Omkara, Pranava, Sarva Vedeshu. All Vedic mantras are preceded by the spiritual Omkara. That Omkara, Krishna says, Aksharanam, and Omkarasmi, Vedeshu, Pranava Sarva Vedeshu, Aum. These are described in Bhagavad Gita. So either you vibrate Omkara or Hare Krishna Mantra, they belong to the spiritual world. This sound does not belong to this material. Material sound, if you chant once, twice, thrice, you'll feel disgusted. But spiritual sound, if you chant 24 hours, you'll never feel disgusted, but you'll feel more and more spiritual bliss. That is the difference. You see these boys and girls and others, they are chanting Hare Krishna practically from early in the morning 5 o'clock till 10 o'clock daily, but nobody is feeling any disgust. They like the chant. That is the difference between material sound and spiritual sound. So, we can enter into the spiritual world, spiritual sky. The spiritual sky is there, Sanatana, that is eternal. Sanatana, everything eternal there. In the material world, they are everything temporary, asat. And everything in the spiritual world, that is called Sat, Om Tat Sat. That is spiritual world. So, the Vedic injunction is Asato Ma Sadgama. Try to transcend from this asat, material world, to go to the spiritual world. Sat, Om Tat Sat. That is actually our business. In the human form of life, this is the only business. So similarly, the same sound, you can enter into the spiritual world by taking shelter of sound. That sound vibration is Hare Krishna Mahamantra. If you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, by chanting the transcendental, eternal sound, you can approach. Just like by telephone, there is also sound, cling, 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 immediately you in touch with your friend thousands and thousands miles away. The sound is so important thing. By spiritual sound, you can become immediately in touch with the spiritual world, and gradually you become in touch with the Supreme Lord. Kirtanadeva Krishnas. The name of Krishna is Chintanam, transcendent. It is not this material sound, material name. Chaitanya, living force, Chaitanya. It is not dead sound. If you want water, if you chant only water, 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 you will not get water, because it is material sound. The water substance is different from the word water. Therefore, simply by chanting water, water, you cannot quench your thirst. You must have the substance water. That is material sound. Anything you take, simply by chanting the name, you will not get the thing. That is material. But in the spiritual world, the name and the person or the substance is the same. There is no difference. Krishna or Krishna's name is the same. There is no difference. Therefore, those who are chanting Krishna, 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 they are becoming more and more enlightened, enthusiastic to chant. Anandamati Vardhanam. Chant Hare Krishna and make your life success. That is required. This is the propaganda of the Hare Krishna movement or Krishna consciousness. Thank you very much.